Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable sound for screen recording in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you are doing screen recording in your phone, if you don't get any sound while recording, you can enable screen recording. Okay, here I go to screen recording and I am checking whether sound is really appearing or not. Okay, I am just click on done and I open the file and play it. There is no sound. Okay, only screen is playing but no sound is coming because screen recording sound is not yet enabled in my phone. So if you would like to enable sound for screen recording, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to additional settings, and here select screen recording, and here you have two options: record system sound means suppose if you are playing a file, if you are playing a music file, then that music file will be that sound will be recorded. That is internal sound of your phone will be recorded using the first button. Okay, suppose if you want to give voice over, you have to use external sound, record microphone sound. Okay, so that sound outside the phone, that is environmental sound, will be recorded to for sound for screen recording. Okay, if you turn on both the internal and external sound will be recorded. Okay, now I am checking with external sound, that is microphone sound. Okay, and now I go to the screen recording option and screen recording will be started within 3 seconds. Hello, screen recording checking, screen recording sound checking, screen recording sound checking, screen recording sound checking. Thank you. I stopped screen recording and I play the file. Checking, screen recording sound checking. See here. Screen recording sound checking, screen recording sound checking. Yes. Thank you. So screen recording sound is enabled now. In this way, you can easily enable screen recording sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.